I started year 2021, and right after sa accreditation, I sold 2 paid up and book sale. So after that, mga 3 to 4 weeks, I received my commission. Last year, December 2024, I joined the travel incentive of Santa Lucia, which I met champions of Santa Lucia marketing from any region, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And through Santa Lucia marketing, it helps me a lot for my bills, especially for my son's needs and my family needs. To all aspiring brokers and sellers, you are all welcome here at Santa Lucia Marketing. Don't delay, join us today and be the next champion sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing. Ako, si Abigail Fastidio, isang registered salesperson, and I am proud to be an accredited sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing, Davao. Join us and be the next champion sales partner.